are here guys in Schaffhausen, Switzerland. So guys, today is very cold. The temperature is 10 degrees Celsius. Wow. It's really cold.
Where do you want to?
Here. So it's around 3:30 here guys, so almost 4 o'clock in the afternoon, so that's why you see a lot of people already in the street. Hello. She did not recognize me anymore. That's my office mate. Yeah, but we are not too close. Hello, Bigets. Yeah, I'm okay. So we can see here restaurants guys. So there's a nice one here, look, restaurant Falcon. There's also a Thai restaurant here guys. Look, this one, Thai restaurant Bamboo. Look, lots of sale also here guys. This one is a perfume shop. Look, lots of perfume. This love. It's very cold. Yeah, I feel now it's too cold still. It's better under the sun. It's not so cold. Right. So you guys, you can see here water, guys. So the water here is we can drink here, guys. So if you have a bottle, empty bottle, you can put some water inside. You can drink the water. So we clean the water here, guys. So here in Switzerland, the mineral water in the shop is very expensive. So it's better we bring an empty bottle. Then when you get thirsty, you just look fountain. Then you can drink the water because the water here is very clean. So we can see here also a cell phone shop. Look guys, Sunrise Sunrise cell phone shop. So there's another fountain here. Still we can drink this water guys, it's very clean. And then there's a nice store here, like a mall, small mall, Manor store. So this is the tourism office, right? Tourism office. This is the tourism office here in Schaffhausen. And then there's another store here, or a shop, like a mall, Co-op City. Co-op City. So guys, this building or house here guys is one of the oldest house or building here in Schaffhausen, Switzerland. So, painting is very colorful and very nice guys. Look, this is built around how many years? 500 years ago.
Oh, for God. Yeah.
Very old guys. This house is preserved for tourism and for the next generations to come. Look. So you can see here lots of shops guys, small stores. Then if you go there, there's a nice hotel and restaurant here guys. I have a memories there, so it's a nice hotel and restaurant. This you go that way there. I have memories there. Memories. Good memories, not bad memories. So this is a church here, guys. Look, this one is a church. Look, it's a very big church. I'm not sure what's the name of the church. This is like a Reformed Catholic. Reformed Catholic, I guess. Then we can go there.
Oh.
In the street there. You go to the left. And we go to the Asian supermarket there. And that's it. That's it. So guys, you can see here nice stores. There's a restaurant here also. So here in Switzerland, guys, tomorrow is Sunday, right? So Sunday malls are closed here in Switzerland, guys. So Sunday here in Switzerland, they preserve Sunday as a family day. So that's why it's closed. But I heard the government were like to amend that law that malls should be open on Sunday. But it takes time, guys, before that will be changed, because that will be mixed. Wait for a vote from the people if the people want it or not. So over this guys, this way, guys, we will reach the Rhine River over there, but we go this way. Okay. So there's a lot of motorcycle. That's the same like my motorcycle, oh, this one.
Yeah.
This is the a little bit upgraded model, I guess. This one.
Yeah.
This is the new model, the latest model of Honda. But it's almost the same like the one in the Philippines, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. It's the same like my bike in the motorcycle in the Philippines. So it's Saturday today, guys, here in Switzerland, guys. Saturday afternoon. So today is my day off, by the way. That's why I have time to go roaming around here in Schaffhausen, Switzerland. So cross street. Okay, very good. Change to green very quick. So guys, over there, that's a tourist destination there. Like we have a small hill. You can see here the stairs going down, going up there. So that's a tourist destination there upstairs.